Hello and welcome to the C lecture. Today we will see ternary operator. Ternary operator is used instead of if-else statement. If a program is simple, then we can use ternary operator. Here we have two operators. One is question mark and the another is colon. These operators are known as ternary operators. Here, first we are doing the process with if-else, and the same process we will run with ternary operators. Here we are finding maximum value from this two, means this A and B. If A is greater than B, then we are printing A is max. Else, if A is not max, then automatically B will be max. So B is max in a else. To run this program, Ctrl F9, here 10 and 20. So B is max. The same code we are doing with ternary operator. Now there is no need of if, we can directly write condition. After condition we have to write question mark. So now if the condition is true, then we have to type the true answer, that is A is max. And here no need of semicolon. Instead of semicolon we have to write colon, that is else part. So if the condition is false, then this part will be executed. B is max, and at last we have to write semicolon. Now we are giving comment to the if-else code. To run this code, press Ctrl F9. Here 10, then 20. So B is max. Again we are running the program with Ctrl F9, 20 and 10. So A is max. So instead of if-else in a simple program, we can use ternary operators. Thank you.